Most people overlook the simplest tools that can completely change how they look. We live in a world obsessed with luxury skincare, serums, and expensive routines, but the truth is, sometimes the most powerful secret is something sitting quietly in your bathroom cabinet. That small, shiny jar of Vaseline that your mom used to keep in her purse, it's not just for dry lips or cracked heels. It's actually a grooming secret used by models, actors, and photographers for decades, because it subtly amplifies how clean, healthy, and confident you appear. In this video, we're breaking down 5 hidden ways to use Vaseline that can literally upgrade your appearance. Small tweaks that make you look like you put in more effort than you actually did. Let's start with one that works instantly: the Vaseline Skin Glow Hack. You don't need a highlighter or an expensive moisturizer to make your skin look alive. Just take a tiny bit of Vaseline, rub it between your fingers until it softens, and gently pat it over your cheekbones, nose bridge, or eyelids. The goal isn't shine, it's radiance. It catches natural light in a way that makes your skin look hydrated, clean, and youthful. Models have used this trick backstage for years because it looks effortless, like your skin just naturally glows. The secret is moderation. Too much and you'll look oily. Just a touch and you'll look like you drink 2 liters of water a day and sleep 8 hours every night, even if you don't.
Now here's where it gets interesting. Vaseline can actually help define your face structure. A trick photographers use for shoots is to add a soft, reflective layer on key points of the face. Rub a small amount of Vaseline along your jawline and just under your cheekbones. It subtly enhances the shadows that are already there, making your jawline look cleaner and more pronounced. If you've got light stubble or a beard, it even gives your facial hair that controlled, well-groomed sheen. The kind that looks deliberate, not messy. You'll notice it in photos or mirror reflections. Your face starts to look more sculpted, more defined, and your features pop. It's one of those tricks that takes 5 seconds, but makes a huge difference in how people perceive your confidence. This one is all about small details, because small details separate looking decent from looking polished. Take a small amount of Vaseline and run it gently through your eyebrows and eyelashes using your fingertip or a clean brush. What it does is give them a natural shine and shape that lasts all day. No stiffness, no flakes, just clean and healthy definition. Your eyebrows frame your face, and most people don't even realize how much that affects first impressions. You might not notice it immediately, but others do. Because tidy eyebrows and dark, neat lashes subconsciously make your eyes stand out more. It's simple grooming, but it creates presence. The kind that says you take care of yourself without trying too hard. This one's for those who care about making a lasting impression. Before applying your perfume or cologne, rub a thin layer of Vaseline on your pulse points, your wrists, your neck, or behind your ears. Here's why it works. Vaseline creates a slight barrier on your skin that traps the scent molecules, slowing down how fast they evaporate. That means your fragrance doesn't fade in an hour. It lingers all day, slowly releasing its notes over time. People won't know what changed. They'll just know that you always smell great, even hours later. It's a subtle hack, but in social settings, it's one of those small edges that makes you stand out without saying a word. Let's talk about the most underrated sign of discipline: your hands. You can tell a lot about a person just by looking at them. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your nails and cuticles before going to bed. Within a week, you'll notice your hands look smoother, your nails healthier, and your overall presentation more refined. It's something people won't comment on directly, but they'll notice, especially when you shake hands, gesture while talking, or even type. Clean hands communicate care. They say you pay attention to the small details that most people overlook, and that's what separates average from impressive. Here's one last bonus tip that only a few people know. If you have dry patches or rough skin around your nose, lips, or eyelids, apply a thin film of Vaseline before bed. It locks in moisture overnight and helps your skin repair while you sleep. You'll wake up with your skin feeling smoother, tighter, and more balanced. The real benefit? Your skin barrier stays healthy, and that's what gives your face that natural, clean glow that even makeup can't fake. Vaseline isn't fancy. It's not expensive. but it's timeless. And it works because it focuses on presence, not products. These small grooming habits don't just make you look better, they make you feel more in control, more confident, and more intentional with how you show up. Try these 5 hacks for a week and see how your reflection changes. Not because you added something new, but because you finally started using what you already had. Smarter.